Welcome back to Tugger TV, people, and this is a brand new movie called Painful Secret. You see me? Watch the movie to the very end so you find out the secret in the movie. You see me? And as usual, comment your honest comment down in the comment section and let me know feedback. You see me? And please like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. We want to go 40k. You see me? Subscribe, send it to your auntie, your uncle, your sister, cousin, everybody. Make them subscribe to the channel. You see me? Big up on yourself. Watch the movie. Shit, you're late. Just a cut.
How are you all day?
We're late, man.
You're late.
Oh, man, tell you. Late, man.
Late. What? So do you want me to carry one, so?
Listen what I say. Listen what I say, good. You see, from the other day, whole heap of things I go through my brain. Whole heap. And me no want to do what my mind tell me to do. You see me? Because I'm a woman. You're supposed to can know what I want. You get me? We've been arguing about this for the last couple of weeks.
But I don't understand why you turned your back to me last time. What me do? What me I do wrong? What happened? What me not do right?
You don't know what you're not doing right.
No, be you may try to tell me what me not do right. Cause you act weird.
You know what you do, bro.
What me not do?
Tell me say you don't know what you do.
Me don't know what me I do.
Me argue about this for years now. Years on top of years. Me want to get a youth then you turn me down. Eh?
But
Majority of my friends I get picked and I go on with them youth.
yeah, be me understand that. But you not think when the time right, you just right. You know, if you force it.
Me had it too long. If you wanna get a youth, too long. Me had it too long, man. If you wanna get a youth with you. And me no want to go out the road, you know, brother. Me no want to do what my mind and tell me if do youth.
So be why you
Me
don't
don't want to go out there. Because you are my woman here, you fear give me my youth, brother.
So why you have to behave? So you're not fear
Yo,
so
let me come go work here, man. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, brother.
but be you not believe in a
Yo.
one time, right? Why, Father God, me don't know what me do. Me can't go back through this again and me don't want to feel him. Me don't want to feel him none at all. Then now, it a go look like say me only just there for certain things I don't want to give my youth. That him not even understand what I go through. No want to go back there, so brother. But then, I want my boyfriend to have a youth. I want to give my youth. Why I just can't bother. Right now I'm fed up. Think about this thing.
Hey, my baby, what's up? You're so much daddy, man. Daddy love you. Say, daddy love you. You know, tell daddy say you love him. All right, my baby. Love you. Let me say hi to mom. Yo, how's man that in your background? Me not tell you, so allow me you left. Me no want, hey, no ramp with me pitney, you know. Cause hey. You hear what me I say, no, man? Yes, when a man a come over, text me and tell me come for me youth. You hear what me I say? Yeah. Oh, you're lucky. Alright, look come off of my phone. Hey, some of them big man, you know, easy, you know, man, come on, watch your boy Tugger. 40-year-old virgin. Can't get a youth. Oh, me Tugger, Bridget. Yo, me just say to myself, so watch me general soon get a youth. Well, go on. You look so. You know me I talk to look a while. My daughter, man. My daughter. You see me? And right now my song. Boom, boom, boom. Triplet me I go shoot next time. Yeah, general.
No,
So what go on in your life, you know?
Wish me could have done in a fair shoes right now. Serious.
Yo, my shoes heavy, you know? You well heavy, you know?
Why?
So make you want to go in my shoes, Tugger, and you can't fit.
No, nothing really are going to me right now. No. But I know say me have a youth that motivate me a lot. To
Why?
shoot board, go do multiple things right now.
So Tugger, so in a long time here, your lady there, bro, so what? One and just come together and do so boom, boom, boom. And things happen, bro. And then we can say, yes, me daddy. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 9. What happened?
You know, long me and her argue. Right now, me just left over here that argue me and her argue about the same thing.
Brother, stop arguing and shoot, man. I want you. Mama have a bulletproof vest. I want you.
But
Shot can go through bulletproof vest, so I want you. Come like you are the problem. I want you. Shoot.
Me a try about much year now, bro.
Stop trying.
Till I hear you to go to school. Look how long me a try long. Me a all wonder if she a take pill for me.
No, Tugger, let me tell you your deal with mama. Yes, when you go over, bro, you just so boom, boom, kick you in foot. You get to me and say, rrr. You get to me and say, shoot. Sometimes and every time you make love to woman and you know your fire happen. Sometimes you have to deal with you like some different woman out the road. Yo, lie down. Yo, boom, boom. You understand?
Me no want to go out the road.
Me never tell you to go out the road, Tugger, you know, understand. Me I tell you that sometimes you know I make love to the ladies them. Understand? So the egg them go down hill slow. But sometimes when you box him and squeeze in throat and kick you in foot, you get to me and say, yo, how are you general? Yeah, go down fast. The time you looking at 9 months to get a youth, Tugger, you know want to get a youth. Tell me the truth now.
I know more want to get a youth more than anything else right now.
No, say, you know. You hear me?
Yeah.
Current gone, but my fridge still a work. Me can't believe all job on a chat down the road say you have a youth. Me feel it as a bridging youth. Me I say, oh, that for a chat that and the man know say you work for the youth. Oh, job on if you do that, Tugger. Tell me the truth that me you bridging.
Me
I should rate me come tell you, no, Tugger.
Then
Yo, just say me say still, you know. Just no say nothing. Just watch him.
oh, if you sit down and talk that and me him sit down
I
and talk.
know.
Yo.
Who does that? That me a chat about you, no, Tugger.
Then me just get to my brain every
Me
day,
never tell you
brother.
no, me a no real friend, Tugger. I want to you, my G. Me a real friend,
More
you know.
time I go work, you know, me can't focus. You know.
A true man, cause
Me see all the boss come there with I call in youth and he said, come. And the youth I said, Dada. I said,
oh God, youth. You know, say anytime
Can't
around you, me not go talk about no youth. Anytime me talk about me youth, me kind of see you feel away. You know? Tugger ball ya ball. I no ball ya ball, Tugger.
no, bro.
Oh, cause when me go to funeral and see some people are balling, Tugger, then you ugly. And then me go get in the feeling and start balling. Tugger, that's when me look in the mirror. Me can't believe that's something ugly. So ugly people is not supposed to ball, Tugger. It's like how you ugly and me heart to look pan. We not supposed to ball when we are ball. We supposed to ball, lock up your house and ball, Tugger. You understand me I say?
No, bro.
That's all nothing, man. Just strong up, man. Just strong up. Where you go now?
Alright, me there go.
Boy, Jawbone say, come link me still in, but if you see him still, just tell him something up on the corner. You see, you see me? I will call back my youth again. Come look. Oh, sorry.
Alright, me chat.
Look more.
Alright.
Yeah. Can't believe the big man fire no shot. Eh? No youth, you can't get the whole way. Eh? The whole way. That your foot a shoot up before you can't get a youth. And you ball like you're cute. You're not cute. Left them thing there for woman, bro. The same thing Jawbone me and Jawbone talk about. Same man have no youth. Like, I bench him, you know. Anytime he come around me, I bench him. Anytime he say he want to go a party, red card. He can't get a youth. Jawbone, man. Oh, God.
I'm tired. One of my sister house look different so. Last time I left, I went board house, concrete house. I wonder if Melissa change things. My sister, things are going for my sister, man. My sister going good in my life. Who there? Hello? 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 Hello?
Allah. What that call? Being a late. I can't sit in life. Torment. Babes, how are you?
Morning, Sean.
Sis,
Morning.
how are you?
Sis, I can't come in your
Come
house.
inside, come inside, come in. What happened now? Jesus Christ. Girl, what happened? What do you see? What happened?
Sean, lock your door.
Jesus. Yeah, make me get scared now, you know.
I don't know why you get scared, sis. Look here. You know,
And
say,
nobody around you down. You there with
girl,
nobody,
you
you
know,
do
say,
things.
me there wonder if I'm boyfriend a trail me come down here. 'Cause a girl in there go on with himself a country and a beat me and a go on.
Jesus.
And girl, when he drop asleep, me just grab up me sitting them. Me did put this on my bed and when he drop asleep, me just take up here and take up my bag and just put. Girly man toxic, he mash up my phone. Me can't go nowhere. Nobody can come look for me. I be a drama man a go on with.
Girl, Jesus. Girl, so me never know say Jaden a beat you.
Yeah, me just can't manage no more.
Every day you no post on the media like you know alright.
I just smile on my face, make everything seem like it alright.
So you're pretty. Hold on. Say, but girl, hold on. Mommy can never call me. You know,
can't
say
call
me and
you,
my man
Sean.
live here so.
The man mash up my phone.
So get somebody phone and call me and girl. A someone stay girl. Cause see my man in here ready for change for me. True, he might kill me if you have one baby and me tell him say me not ready.
Why am I kill you for?
He ready for you have pitney and me tell him say me not ready. Girl, no little thing what he go on with me in a year
Yeah, me
before
know
last.
about that. But you're young. If you're saying you're ready, you need more time. Nothing supposed to wrong with that. Girl, me can't bother with man. So, Shauna, sis, you never tell the man say you can't have no baby.
Shut up, mouth. Shh. Girl, don't make that ever come out of your mouth again. Suppose him and walk come in the house and... Girl,
Sean.
come here. Sit down. Girl, let me tell you. Me love the man, you know. Girl, me love the man and the man love me. If you don't want to pick me, but you see, if you don't me not tell him, say, me can't get one baby. Me know say if he come to the test when war, me have to go submit to him and tell him, he not gonna have no problem. Girl, man love me, you know.
You know, say only reason make for me man a go on so because he like how watch out on the status and not like how who live down here.
Yeah.
Girl, and that day something that we a fight about. Cause me a talk to him and he don't want me talk to him about it. And that me want youth and he not ready for have no
Girl,
pick
me
me
not
yet.
tell a lie, should me in your shoes. I would have game it.
But girl, every time me talk to him about the situation, he cause fight. That it we a fight about, you know.
And that's so me and my man. Me love man no, but boy.
You
Me
want
not
one
ready.
pick me.
You know, I always wonder what if one day me have to go tell him and he kind of like crash out when me can't control it. And that is my problem, you know.
That come like a
And
reverse.
then now he go say, look how long you hide this from me. What else can I hide? And then now he go want away.
Girl, you sure say you not go fight you one time?
No.
You not plan to tell him, though.
Girl, me can't tell him. I know now me not plan to tell him. Me can't tell him.
Girl, enough time, you know, we watch out on the status and sitting there on the page, you know, and he not like how you live. And sometimes I say sitting to him, it cause a problem, so I not say nothing to him for me realize say it affect him. You love your man, not true, Sean?
Of course, me love my man, girl.
So you not plan to say nothing to him.
No, me not tell him.
Because look for the time when you have the problem when you get pregnant and you never know if you owe and you lose the belly. You can't go have no more picnic again when you don't plan to tell your man. Sean, remember say doctor tell you say you can't go have no picnic. Doctor tell you.
Just stop repeat that, no sis. Stop repeating.
Girl.
Me no must remember what doctor tell me. Say no mean tell.
Yeah, you in tell. But I just say. Anyway, as me did I say, no fight time I watch out on the sick name girl and we feel some type of way. Like a man just envy on your lifestyle and me I say no I live loving and I live good and me kinda like that.
Girl,
me
me I
wish
tell
I
you.
saw me and my man did I live.
Girl, may I tell you the truth? Let me tell you the truth. Listen to me and listen to me good. All relationship can fix. It just depending on the two partners. But you must be tired, stressed out, the long driving, and yeah.
You can't put up a window there.
Jesus, again, girl.
Lucky window, I don't know who follow me come here, girl. I don't want to know say man chill me come here and come.
Oh, girl, you can't do nothing like that. You're mad. Girl, stop worrying about him. And you see him too. Wait, me not book him yet, you know.
Sean, if you have his number on your phone,
Yeah, me.
you still have it?
Yeah.
Sean block him because I don't want him call your phone. I don't want him
Hey, come
call
no
and
want
check
no
nothing
boy
about me.
number on my phone where I beat my sister. Must man. Yeah, me block him.
Thanks, sis.
Yeah, as me say no, just get yourself comfortable. Now go outside, go put back the clothes and soak on me the have. But girl, you know, so me upset no more and talk to you about though. Remember say I want one room this and I never know say you come. Never know say your man a country a beat you. I not like that. Me never notify my man say you come, you know. So him no know me never know. And as you can see I want one room. Me no know him a go react, but me and him did a fight this morning, girl. And he flash me off and go and he must say true. Me telling you say when the right time come, you want me to do it now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Me no know what I'm to him and pregnancy. So to him friend, to all I'm friend him have youth and sometimes he pitney then come on the veranda and if he carry pitney then go to school and kind of feel one little jealous way. Me not saying if he feel jealous, you know. But in waiting turn, man. So girl, me no really know what him a think about right now, girl. Cause you see through all I'm friend them have a pitney them and you know, all when a Father's Day, him a fear post him friend them and I say Happy Father's Day. Him probably all feel one little type of way.
Alright, Sean. Push me, sister.
Yes, sister.
This thing I got alright.
But I want a little room. Me don't know how him a go react, but me know him is not a bad person. So him not go have no problem with you. Me will go just to go bring so the clothes them and put them on the line. So me come in, but just make yourself comfortable.
You know what? He man no pick me. Fit me not true. My baby father tagger. Kid tagger want pick me. Look how the place nice. Eh? Look for the nice place where you have. Sit down in here with tugger and I want give man want pick me. Eh? All of this, sooner or later is gonna be mine. Tugger gonna be my baby father.
You know from when job want you come link me. Eh? That's why me have to rate Jutta, you know, cause when Jutta say ma link me, ma come link me, you know. All the boy job on me, you was sure if all the youth when get a female in a jacket, you know. You see me?
How you there, sir? Cuss about daddy.
Me say you gonna live long, me daddy.
Cool,
Me
man,
just a
long
call
life,
your name, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, so
Yes,
I
yeah.
go on, where you come from, daddy?
I know, sir, I hope there's somebody there. Me and the youth when name Jawbone. I mean, I know, sir, I'm a baby
Hey.
mother call me and tell me, say, she want, you know, the last color side, something, because my son can't drink it.
Yeah, there.
Plain last
Yeah, that.
plain last color, you know.
Yo, come like you know me there talk about, you know. We
I'm
have big
just-
up your father them, you know.
I just walk off and say, yo, I go buy it and come.
So you buy it already?
No, I don't get some, I go buy it.
Boy, you know, so I talk about the youth thing, my father. Me nah tell no lie still now. You know, so Tugger just no 4 long left or so. Like, him man a ball, bro. Like, him man a ball, say, true, him and the woman in some argument because the woman not ready to give him a youth yet. And you know, artist thing about him, my father, when the man a ball, and I watch me, man, but he not good looking.
No, a serious thing.
He hard
a
to look when
serious
him a
thing.
ball, you
We
know.
cannot serious thing, brother. Remember, say, what we got a one youth and man need a youth, brother.
Then, bro, you know, remember, so what you may go sub when you go license insure bike. Remember, so we take youth papers and go license insure and do blood test and also full youth. You think the boy can't sell youth a jacket?
But daddy, remember, say, next man I see that and hurt that. You don't know football stay already, man.
Cha, yo, but you know me I say still, in a real life, like, You know, say Toga and you wanna come from. I know far them a come from, you know, a food them a come from. But like what you think? You feel some mama not ready yet or Toga na fire shot. Come feel like a Toga na fire shot, you know.
No, him go to fire shot, man, but you see when you have fire shot, but you have to aim when you have fire, you know.
True. Yo, me say me, hey, watch out now. Me say me, yo, me say me I tell the man say if you about a 9
Yeah.
and in a connect,
Alright,
get a tall broom.
You can fire with knife from way long this, and shot nothing.
No, you have to have something long for aim up here. Me I tell the man say, yo, kick your mama foot, kick your way.
Spread them out, man. Spread them out.
And the man a laugh say no want deal with
Yo,
mama.
boy, no,
But you
a
know,
reality,
say,
man.
big man thing still, you know, say, Toga not too rate, you know. But you me your friend,
No,
me have to tell you.
Me nah laugh
Because
off
him
on
a
the
say,
man still, no, daddy.
yeah, laugh half time.
No,
I
no,
no
man.
laugh, yeah, laugh half
No,
time.
boy,
No,
sometimes.
say me say no, say me say
I'm
no.
only catching one side and hear and laugh, try and feel away still. But me not definitely laugh off fine. Me would want him get a you to you. Certain go, man.
Yo, no disrespect, you know, my father. Me no want him go 40, you know, I mean, I have to call him 40-year-old virgin, you know. Because man have a youth, all we have a youth, you know.
Cha. One day if him can change a girl and it happen.
Jesus Christ.
Or Kung Soap.
Yes. And you know what again too? Where place out the name food for poor. You know, saying supposed to have youth out there when can adapt one and woman have it.
Man,
That not gonna work.
Nah, man. That time make you feel away, said we, man.
True. But
You
that
know,
one
as
help
a
him
young
look a bit
youth,
still, you know.
Yeah, that help you still, but
True.
Kung Soap and them thing, the man.
True.
Wash out your blood first. Wash out yourself.
And I pay Pepsi, yo, how school I used to go, me daddy. Yo, now watch that, you're bright. Now watch that, you're bright. How good school I used to go.
Now what go down here to do? Go get that last color from you and then slide up back, come up.
Yo, watch out now, say, you know, 2 more you want on your way, you know.
Then better where you coming from? When you know, sister.
Yo.
And every
Daddy.
girl that can boy, you go to and go get them doing. You have to.
Remember, you know, tell Toga say me say no rate, you know. Toga tell me this man say no rate.
But any idea, man, rate me. Because my sister say, me no depend on it.
Alright, my father. Yo, watch out now, man. Big up yourself, here.
You link, man.
Really, I want to say. Because what I got a tax office, you know, and just on a license insuring youth, you know. So me I wonder if youth a fame. God no. Because the youth no start rust yet. And the man a rasta. Boy, I'm just hope him a fame youth, you know, because I'm bridging, you know. You understand all about Toga not to rate him still, but I'm a virgin still. I know so me have to go rasta. Me have to go rasta, you know, and change the thing, you know. Because I want rasta youth, you know. You know, say last time left me chair, so some boy come sit down at night. I mean, don't know where them boy dog at night time, you know. And what, hey, me think me I left it back here, so matter of fact, them all ground out my chair, me never want that.
Jaja youth. Why, Father God, man, tell her. I know you see me struggle. I know you see what I go through down here. I just want you to help me out, Father God. Help me out. Me and my man are a cuss this morning. I not too like your argument. You know. I don't like your argument because you can't cuss with somebody who you love every day. God, just please put in our mind, say, if you just give me a youth. Please, me, I beg me, I go in and I go just be a man and apologize for going this morning. Because I think say me I probably go too hard for her too. So me I just apologize, Father God. Me I beg you. Me I ask you. Please make sure you can give me a youth, Father God. Me really need a youth. Me I go up in an age now. Even though me young see me, but me every day me I get older. Please, Father God, me I beg you. All of my friends them laugh off of me. True, me not get a youth yet. Me I beg you. Me I go in right now, hug her up and kiss her up and just tell her I'm sorry. I'm gonna surprise her now. Hey! Backside, Jesus Christ, man.
You frighten me, you know?
Sorry about that. How are you?
You know, say me a Shan sister. I me figure say are you a Shan boyfriend? Are you name Toga?
I mean name Toga. Sorry if you touch you a while ago. Cause me come home, me think some woman there right it's a sweep out place. You know? Yo, because me say me a come home, come me love to my woman, man. And kiss her up and say sorry. And I this me come violate it. Yo. She should have called me and tell me say yeah come over here. Cause me say me a come over here come kiss her up and hug her up cause me and her look a dispute in the morning. And I want me youth in the money. Come, why me father? Why me father God?
Toga.
Me want me youth in the money.
Toga. Apology accepted. Toga, you not have to behave so. You never know some there. Are you a Chan boyfriend, right? Cause me she post you all the time.
And me her boyfriend. Me
You
check
just never
say
know
she
somebody
the
there.
right you say no. See me come and touch you.
Nobody not dead.
Me not like them the man.
Nobody not dead, Toga. Alright, apology accepted. You never know. You just never know.
Yo. And Shan fi call me to you and tell me say yeah come over here. No.
Toga. You just never know somebody there. You just never know.
Yo. Where's Shan there? Shan! Yo, come I can't tolerate them a foolish you know, man. Oh, you never tell me say your sister come over here.
Be a whole lot of story to that. Me I go talk to you. Sis, excuse me 1 minute there.
Yo. Yo, you come like some salt. Me not like this, you know, Shan.
Calm down now. Why you not calm
Yo,
down?
me I come from work. Me take Idris idea off. Me say me I come apologize to you, you know, and make love to you.
B, but
And tell us me sorry about what I go on this morning. And this me come see.
B, me never know so she a come down. Everything
Yo.
happen so fast.
Suppose you were naked in there in the bed. And me go in there and go do something.
You know do nothing, B.
Eh?
You know do nothing.
Yo, me not like them something, Ashan. And you have to call me, man. You know what? No, a good mood me there a while ago. That just broke my vibes. Come here and say me I come over, come love you up and we can make you youth.
Yeah, me understand what you say, B, but me I try to tell you say.
You come like to me now to get no youth.
B, what you talk about? Me not tell you say take
Yo,
time
me
talk no.
just salt, brother.
So what you call yourself salt for, B?
See all the sister coming now.
Take time
This a go
talk.
slow. How long she a stay?
And me fi ask you a year house be anything you say me agree
She
to.
can't stay more than a week, you know.
Alright, B,
Cause you
agree.
know, say a one room we
Alright,
have.
yes, me agree, B. Me agree. Brother, look
Yo,
how loud they attack on people. Bush a be
all this a week, that go slow me up, you know.
B
Forget
just,
me out.
B just take time. B, hold on there. Me hear you say you touch me,
Yo.
sister. Now tell me say how me I think.
No, I
I know
would
that you say.
never do that.
Oh, think
I
of that
would
you say.
never do that. You mad?
Alright,
Me come and see her. I me
alright.
ask her who this.
Alright, don't know no. Yeah, B, just make we deal with it and take time, deal with
Yo.
things. Just relax, man.
See you ready to have a baby.
Yeah, me ready for have a baby now.
You
After my
sure?
sister gone for 2 weeks.
For
Me...
1 week.
Alright, B. Anything you want after I'm gone, me give it. Anything at all.
1 week.
Alright, baby.
I'm gonna tell her to 1 week.
Yes,
She
me
must
gonna
can
tell
figure
her.
out things.
Yes, me gonna tell her.
So why is she they down here
Me
though?
gonna talk to you about that. One bag of jam with she and her boyfriend and him a beat her up. Yeah, my beat her up. And I'm my one sister be and me can't make nothing do him. So me tell him, when me see him, when me pull the door, me see him.
Me ain't no fight and then sitting there.
No, be.
Me
And she
only
tell
have a
me
little
say, in jealous of me and you because you see me live on Instagram and
Boy.
be. Me we talk to you about that one next time. Come me go introduce her to her. Come no want she did and I hear.
Alright. Me just want to know say everything straight where you see.
Yeah, be everything straight, let me see.
Yeah.
Just relax, man.
Well, me a
Chelsea? Yeah, come here 1 minute then. No matter.
Oh boy.
Alright. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
Sorry, we get off on the wrong foot. Sorry about what go on a while ago.
Yes, sis.
Oh, me there behave and so.
Sis, no mind him. True me and him kinda. Don't know man stay. But anyways, Chelsea, this is Toga. My to be fiance. Toga, this is my only sister.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, so if say I can go and stay till it start out.
Yeah, you can stay for 1 week. Yeah.
You did delete the number, block your money.
Yeah, me do that. Him nah come hurt you.
Sean, me don't want him find me there, no?
He nah find you.
Yeah,
You go alright.
listen, my good. See, oh, this a place I run, nobody from far can really come in a lane like that. You understand? So, you're safe as someone. You see me?
Alright.
You just need to
Sit up, you know.
work down in town, you can get all over place anytime, right still. But when there, so, you can show you a couple places you can get for rent. So, you know?
Alright,
Yeah, but you're not afraid.
Tell us if it up worse, sis.
Yeah, you're not afraid.
No,
Everything
top
good as so.
worry.
You're not afraid, man. Everything good at so. You see me?
Yeah.
Sean,
Yeah.
Yeah?
you know, so when me come, me never want to come, you know. Me never want to come down here, because guess what, me never have no fun because I say nothing to you. And I just me close them and do what me walk with. Me don't walk with no bed. And
So
me know
wait.
say I one room, so how sleeping arrangement I go.
Don't worry about that, sis. We sort out that. Sure, we can't sleep together. We are
Yeah, cause
worry about.
now go
can't
and
sleep
put
on
up
the
on the
one
ground
bed.
Yeah, me
because
not go put up on the ground because one of them they a fat leg bite him pan for him too. And Bex with
so
me and go sleep on
I
ground.
for try
Sure, Sean.
close up here a bit.
Yeah,
you
man.
want
We will sleep.
you're not for yourself. We tighten up a bit.
Alright.
Yeah. So you dey eat and something.
No, me never really stop again and to eat. Me just
but
move fast.
You can get something to eat. Man.
Yeah, me I go deal with that.
Alright, thanks, Sean.
As me say, you safe yourself. You understand?
Thanks, Toga.
Yeah, man.
My sister have one of the best boyfriend in the world.
Yeah, man.
Really appreciate it.
Alright, we see you come on.
Alright, cool.
And the water come there, by God.
I really need a youth. No, you know me.
You know, place
No,
a
no,
jail
say
like
God
whistling. About
Some
3 weeks,
little
quarter and
youth
come up
down
here now.
shop. You see me?
No, sir.
Yeah,
Yo,
they do that.
where you going with?
There, man.
There, I check your pipe and say some water shall come that week, yeah.
Oh, lock what? Pipe lock off, man.
Oh. Because
Water
I say, oh,
gone.
no water not coming. Come you and tell me, say, I want bail off. And you them have to do them
You
thing.
know,
You
say
see?
come like a mocking thing when they depend with me youth.
Where I say?
Every time when you see me not talk about on a youth,
You then the youth have future better.
but every time when you know say me not no youth,
Alright. Nobody go listen. I tell you the truth. God know that.
yo,
Where
that
are
time
they?
I don't want good mood, you know. I swear. Rest of my mama will have guests over there and say,
So when we can come, when we can out of so, by the way.
I shop me say me I go. And me allow when me I walk go shop me I say look here. Could have me youth me I send him go shop. You know. Me not fear go and shop.
Let me tell you something, G. I wait there, me I talk, and me I say, you know, say, if man I get a you, but at time do it still no better. But I make nobody rush you, but man, you gone over the board. You hear me I say, talk come true, man.
You tell me know say youth, for mine a youth and a easy task, you know. But for me get a youth, me know say it a go motivate me to push further in the life. Me know that.
Alright, cut off of that now.
Yo,
Where you do it so early, brother? And I'm not even your work time yet. Your work time now.
yo, my woman have her sister over there. And a one room, you know that. One room, her sister left from country come down. Say her man a beat her and one bag of something a going up. And I really ask, I not really my
If
business.
you're way in there, if you want to touch up all the two of them. Man, you cheer up yourself, man. You look stressed out in the
Then you don't understand me I go through right now. You say a Rasta, you know, if you take things serious and every day you want laugh out.
Yeah,
You
but
don't
through
know
me,
when
I start, me not have fun.
you giggle out the thing too much, bro. Like you know, take me things serious, what me I say.
So the girl, your woman sister, couldn't go and talk to her.
Duta,
It's
I
a
tell
real
you the
G.
truth. You never meds band that. You have to do fear thing if you have to do fear thing. And 1 week she do over there for. And my woman say after the 1 week when she gone, she ready for make we work on the baby. You see me? But we say you like her.
Yeah, that me just a tell her, man. And I
So
listen.
if you get her, me can get my time then to work on my youth. Yeah, what? Come check me. Come check me. When me go over the time me and check me and then we can introduce you and her. You understand?
You do the
You
right
see
thing,
me?
brother. Do
Cause
the right.
you hear me just a made
You me see it, man. Me see it, man.
a good idea
Yo,
that.
see this thing still. One thing me I tell you. Make it shake you up, daddy. Yeah? Come see I try move slow like, but just hold it, man. Stand up on your foot like a man, dude.
Now go and hold it the time, man. Is it? And respect say me if you advise me.
Yeah, I say Togo, man. Yo, Togo, man, rate you in a youth. Believe me in a youth. Not even coloring book them, not rate you like me or me rate you in a daddy. Right now, I laugh off of you, you know. I say, you know, I'm a youth in a daddy. You hear me, I say? You see when you see him? Not even make him know, say, your woman sister over there. You hear me say?
Yeah,
Not tell him,
man.
say, girl over there, Dan.
I do that for you, man. I really say, man.
You go
I'm
yourself, man.
rated to see me, man. I
Look,
tell you, man.
where's where you say, if link you up after.
Yeah, man, just time me. Is it?
All right.
Yeah, me I tell her to say me have a youth of her same time.
You go yourself, man.
Not even about a gas shop, is it?
Say it as slow you down, my brother. You see it?
Yeah.
Don't make it slow you down, man. Yeah. Channel star. Good you to you, man. When I tell you whatever you say life, you life for one thing, yo.
Girl, it's like me. Me have to have a girl, me nah. No, me not like it too. 3 and 4. What go on?
I'm there, man.
There, I'm God, man. I
Yeah.
link Tugger right now. I link it dog.
Oi.
Yo.
Come here.
Wow.
Talk a just left and you say no.
Then that better me
No,
can't catch up on the
he
road.
must say, man say him no want me over him yard, first thing. Cause he must say, we dey on the road, I talk about him have no pitney and where. After that, he must say him and him girl alone over there now, so him go try breed it. So, that makes sense to go down there go call him and daddy. Me I tell you the truth. You hear me say?
You know,
Man say me and you no fi come over him yard no time again.
you
I
sure
look
now
like
you alone,
we
you
are not
say?
virgin. Cause true we got youth and him not got youth. So him gone down, no go and work on him youth. Say, go on to make sense. Cause me know say you gonna get disrespect down there.
So, you sure now you say it two of him
The man say, no, we no fi come over him yard.
Christ.
Say you go on no? Go on. Him will tell you.
So you say I'm gonna make him and the woman out deal with the youth now?
That them say,
Jesus.
sir.
A dirty man for do for a long time, no juta. Brother, the man go reach 40 and we have to call him 40-year-old when I get no pitney dog.
Boy, you
Me
can't do
proud.
that, brother, cause you will rush people,
Charge
pitney for go out there, go do the wrong thing, Dan.
True.
Where you can't rush
So we have to
people.
go give him some space then.
Give man some space and some time, and probably nail it,
True.
you know, man.
Come like the woman, make up your mind, you know. A true, no, bro. Alright, me now go over there then. You understand? So we go up on the car and go all a drink and sit, no, man. Me have money,
That
no,
you have to
man.
talk about now.
Yeah.
See right thing there?
You know, that me a talk about, cause you go have a drink like how you get a youth, me get a youth.
Go on up, bar.
Talk
Right, me I
and
come
get a
right
youth and
now.
him a go
Okay?
look about here now.
Listen me.
Come in, man.
Go on up, bar. Me I come
You
right now.
forward.
Give me
All
about
right.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes.
No say 2. 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Good.
Enough
All
afraid if you say 2, you know.
No, we're not afraid, but
All right.
you know. All
I
right.
understand.
Me a look
I
about
understand,
it.
man.
Yeah. Me a order till you forward here.
You don't say I wasn't, brother. I can't go for me. I either. So go on and talk a friend now.
Sis, what if you ask, see? You see, Togafa, you wake up?
No, you know, so me wake up and when me get up and me last in a room, me never really see you. Me no see you outside, but me no see him. Me no know when gone.
No, so me not see, me know. See him. Look
You
like
no
he
call
gone
you no
already.
call him.
No, me not call him because me did thinking there's somewhere about round yard.
Oh, if I see probably walk out and go to work. You no call him.
No, me not call him. You know, say, honestly, him not normally just get up and go and tell me say, "Mal if yard." That
Oh.
kind of little bit weird.
Oh.
But sis, one number did a call me, you know, and me no know what kind of number this. Me did say before, me blocky. Me I go say, you know that number, yeah?
No, me no know it. But any number we call away and save in your phone, just block it.
Alright. Sis, you know, say me have one little issue. As you and my sister, are you there? Sorry, are you there with me? Me go tell you exactly what my problem. I'm not showing no shades. I mean, you feel no weird. I mean, want you feel like say me I use this as an example or misunderstanding for you go on or you feel uncomfortable. To be honest, you can pull down your clothes, like draw down your clothes.
Yeah, me
Me
pull
not
it
like how
down.
you carry yourself. And
Me
one
pull it
man in a
down.
so, and I me supposed to entertain him. Me no want ya dress like me and yeah, same thing or we are the same man.
Hold on. But sister,
Hold
you know,
on,
some
you know?
have on clothes.
Yeah,
me
my
wouldn't do
sister you
that.
have on clothes, but sometime me all see your G-string in a split part of your ass. Me no need to see that.
And I'm clothes, Sean. Look on the amount of clothes that me have
Yeah,
on.
but you no
Overall,
need
I
a
want to
fear
wear my
wear.
sister.
No. When me a try to say you no need a fear wear a thumb under your clothes. Remember say my yard and my man house. So me no want him a loss too much off of my sister because I would want that for you, for him, nor for me.
But Sean, I would never do that. I wouldn't do that, my sister. Why would I do that? Me no need to do that.
Oh, me just a say, just to put things on the right track, me just a tell you, cause me know you probably not do that intentionally, but man, you know man stay. Me no want in them meds you know where you sis. Nah, swear for man, I am my sister, me know you don't never do that for intentionally, but yeah, I just that me I tell you, me alone for impress him.
Alright, Sean. Alright. Me get it, me understand.
Alright. I don't know what kind of slap this is, eh? You know what, my man, fear, see them thing, your brother. Yeah, walk up and down in a place like I like you're obligated to nobody, yeah. You're not obligated to nobody, yeah. Them sitting there slackness, man. Keep yourself to yourself.
The girl whom no bless. You make the man them a call to a man Guinea.
Yes. Babes! Babes! Babes.
Come inside, babes.
God. You can't set up yourself for me, please.
Toga, me no need to set up myself. What wrong with me?
No, like you set one way and just a distract me.
Toga, you wicked woman. Oh, no, my sister. She gone on the road. Toga, she not come back right now. This is a perfect time for me get to spend some time with you. Because I know me, I think I same thing you think. And the first time I come here, and you come meet me and you hug me up, me know.
True. Oh boy, I don't know what I say.
You
Sorry
sure you make
about
your
that.
mouth say, Toga, my boyfriend a country no want give me no youth. And me know your wicked woman, my wicked sister, don't want give you no youth and I deprive you of youth. A perfect time, Toga, for me and make a youth. Me well want a baby and me know you want a youth.
Yes, I feel true. Yes,
Toga,
I'm sorry
you
about
see
that.
where you make your mouth say? Toga, come here. Toga, I perfect time this way make a youth. My boyfriend a country don't want give me a youth. And your wicked woman, my sister down here and don't want give her youth. Toga,
But she gonna know.
Toga, she not have to know. Well, if you know when you find out, you find out. When you reach a bridge, we cross it, Toga. My sister no want give her youth. First of all, my sister not even tell her the truth. You didn't know say my sister can't get pregnant again. From my
What?
sister get pregnant the time I never know how I pick the father and lose the baby. She can't get pregnant again. Doctor tell her so she cannot have any more
But
children.
first news to me.
Tugga, me come down here for more than one reason. And me I tell you, me just a go tell you. My boyfriend a country now ill treat me, Tugga. Me and my boyfriend a country, alright. He just a deprive me of youth. And me see myself a getting a age and me want a youth. And me left him a country and come down here. Me come down here with the intention.
Hold on. Slow down, Chess.
Tugga, listen to what me I say. Me come down here with the intention for me and you make a youth. And that is my intention when me come down here. From me left country come down here, and that is the only reason why me there here. Me have one important question to ask you. Why my sister never tell you all these years, say she can't get pregnant for give you, and make your friend them a laugh off of you call your man Guinea Road?
True.
Since me come here, a whole heap of things me learn, a whole heap of things me hear, and me not like
All
it. Tugga.
along, you think say me a problem. Make you all of my friend them a laugh off of me, say me nah shoot.
Tugga.
Eh?
Tugga.
It all coloring book and Jutta laugh off of me, real friend them. I laugh off of me every single day. All Sunday daytime them boss off with them youth. I mean I have no youth.
Tugga, me go take care of a girl then chop. Tugga, me care about you, you know. Me care about you. Me have to leave country come here and I have no space to make you know this. My sister deprive you of truth and I cheat and I tell you the truth. And me care about you, Tugga, who tell you the truth.
You tell
And
me
me tell
truth.
you the truth, Tugga, me like you. And me feel like say me and you can make a youth. Me care about you that much. Me you compatible, Tugga. And for me just come here, me know that a long time me I watch out to sit them on our post. And my sister there and sit down for all these years and I come front come tell you the truth. Me I tell you the truth, Tugga, believe me. I go show you so you can make a youth. Make a youth.
True.
Just me. Believe in me, Tugga. Go show.
Jesus Christ, she not go find out now.
Tugga, stop. Why you kill out yourself for? She not go find out now, but she will find out later.
One day me fi go bed.
No, Tugga, you can't go beard it. Tugga look too obvious. Better we just chill out just a little bit or something.
Jesus Christ.
Tugga.
What we just do a while ago?
Tugga, stop. Tugga, you don't want a youth.
Yeah.
Tugga, me well want one baby. And now you me want it with. And that they start make right now. So but just
True.
no panic.
True.
You go take a time. You will work out itself, Tugga. Just believe me.
Jaja, God Almighty. What me do, man? Jaja.
Tugga, why you stress for?
No, me not stress, man.
Me know why you stress me, you know?
Nah, stress, man.
Too early to stress me. I don't want to do my pregnancy. Come sit down.
True.
So me here and sitting all up on your clothes and sitting.
Oh. Brush off, man. So,
What do I do now?
you don't know, like, why you not name me baby?
You want me baby name already, Tugga? If a boy, we give him one nice name. And if a girl, we have 9 months to decide where we want to name the baby.
True, we have long time. What about time?
Yeah, only part time.
We can't believe this happened for true, bro.
It happened for sure. Me not believe neither, but it just happened. We can't change the past. We have to just think about the future now.
Yeah.
You understand what I
But
mean?
true,
Say?
future. Kids
Yes.
are the future. True.
Good. So just relax. The more you relax, I calm and maybe. But when you start move up and
Me
down,
relax,
don't make me
man.
worry.
Relax.
This will work out in a due time. Just trust me. Trust me, Tugga.
Oh boy. So
You
you're
feel
good though.
better?
You're good though.
Tell me so you feel better.
We feel better,
I
man.
know you feel better.
Alright.
Tugga!
Yo!
Tugga!
Jesus Christ.
Forward, Tugga!
I want you, man. $100, man, beg me. $100. May I come there?
Yeah, go on with.
Yeah, the
Yeah, man. Where girl the where's the name?
which girl?
The girl where say I want to get rid of, man.
Oh,
Yes.
Joshua. You know, say, me come over do and me and my woman reason about certain things, so me make she stay. Is it?
Let me she stay.
Yeah, I mean, I show her your picture still in and she say she like you. She like Yeah, but Ray, through a Rasta. Me no really want to sit no for your feeling here, but what she say. She say she like you, but through a Rasta, you can't go work. She no like Rasta.
Well, I joke thing you there, man. I lie I tell,
No,
man.
man, I really think I tell her. You know me stay. Me not lie.
Say man over here make you link for me.
You don't make it look that way. Then me ask her. I'm sure all your picture.
I like how she said she like me. Then still can give her my number. Make
Anything
it link.
can go on in the future. But when she said she like you, she can forget about the Rasta part. Cause she said she's not too date Rasta.
Make sure you get the number, man.
Yeah.
Probably should call me, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man,
Let's
but
make a link for me,
yeah,
man. Yeah.
me I make a link for you, man.
So
No
we
worry
can't see her
yourself.
now.
Everything secure. Not tell coloring book about her no. Is it?
I wonder if you use your brain for me doing now.
No, bro, me just explain to you.
Alright. So we can't see her now.
No, she gone in the bathroom.
Just make a link. Get the
Yeah,
number for me.
me and you will chat though. Me and you chat.
Say the man calm me down here, man. I try to get rid of.
No, bro,
Anyway,
listen, man. Me no want you feel no way. Me explain to her and me I talk to her. You see me, boy, as me say, anything can change in the future. You never know what tomorrow bring. Probably she
get the
can
number.
get up tomorrow and say, oh, you guy, where this
Alright,
show?
give her my number
You
then.
know,
Give her my number
me
then now.
give her your number.
Alright, be link.
The CM347 number.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Why am I tell you?
Just a youth. Can't give me future baby mother. Shit. God, I don't even know I'm gonna get myself in there.
Like, I don't think people like that. Hey, I one thing, me might slow, but me no fool. Eh? All of a sudden, when you get close, and you said you want the girl to live. He said 1 week and 2 week pass, long time. We are going on one new month there, and she's still there. Now, all of a sudden, you and the girl becomes friend. Yeah, me and your friend, yeah, my sister and a friend. Are you same one did I go on the most way? You know, say something not add up. Me not like this. Me not feel this. Come to think of it. In tell me for Black J. What make you wanna tell me for Black J? And if J a beat her, J would have must call for explain for him say, go and Black J. Come on here, wagwan. This not right. Come J, me unblock you. Me see if me get J now. Alright. Cause this not right. You don't take people for that. Eh? You don't think people are mascot?
Hello?
Yeah, hello? A J this?
Ashan this?
Yeah man, a J this. A Shan, a J this though.
You know how long me I try to reach out to you come like you block me or something important.
You know, say me just unblock your J cause something na add up down ya. Alright. Long story short. J, yeah, my sister you used to beat my sister.
No, me?
So how
You
miss
really feel like mother did that, Shan?
hold on.
Listen, let me explain something to you. Listen now. Me and sister does in our little argument that even nothing big. Is that your sister want have a youth? I may tell her say money now run good right now. So I just tell her say of hold off a little bit. Come here wait for all one big contract. For my boss I go set me pan. So I tell her of hold off a little. But she don't want that. Your sister always look on you and your boyfriend life and I say you are saying want me and you to live. Me and her to live. I mean I tell her say I just time do it. She always post all your boyfriend by her status. I mean in an argument about it. Yes. I'm talk to her about it. Come like she in love.
post me, man.
Yeah. Won't mention and wake up. And I demand that when she did gone. Me I tell her say, you know, see her like she pack up things and gone. And when me call her now, me I tell her say me nah get her. Me all that call you to you know. You come like she block me and you block me.
Yes, cause
Call explain my side of story.
she convinced me for black you and tell me say oh, you bust up her head and you make man run her down and be
Right.
things.
Nothing like that. I lie she a tell man. Shan, me I tell her if it's Chelsea, she obsessed. Watch her with your boyfriend come here, tell her that she always a post him up. I mean, I'm in an argument about that.
Jesus Christ. So me I wonder, oh, when she a post him up, me nah see look like she block me when she a post me, man.
Yes, it look like she hide the status from you, but she be brawling with me.
Alright, here wa. Over me yard me a go. And thanks a lot for tell me, you hear? And I done ya she there. Alright, fully code. Hello, I want here so. What happened here so? Me not understand you from when. What going here so?
I something she dey talk to me about, babe.
And then are you here?
Me I take
Yeah.
out something more time here.
Oh.
You can't go dead, Sean.
Hello, listen to me.
No kill him, take out something more
Listen
time
to me,
here.
me not talk to you. Listen, you. From what you notice, say you get close to my sister. Where you dey, Pantoga?
No, your sister, babes.
No, your sister, babes.
Don't bother
You
praying
know.
away there.
You know. From when me I tell us if you pull down your clothes and your clothes still up. The only person in here supposed to entertain anybody and me supposed to entertain him and him entertain me. And next thing, from when me I sleep, I'm not even feel a brush for me. What go on, Toga? What
Babes,
happened?
a lie, I tell.
What happened? And you sleep on the opposite side of the bed.
Babe, I show she there.
Choose she there, you what? You sleep on the opposite
Me-
side of the bed or she. Yo, if I'm matter of fact, get up. Get up now. Brother, get up. And for you, you see, anytime I tell my man what I want, I pay your head, him I go kick you. Don't worry yourself. And me, I go deal with you. I swear, when me done, me want you to go. Hello. Toga, let me tell you this. You didn't know, say, all of what my sister tell me and you is a lie.
What?
But our man beat her and our man threw her out and our man this and our man that a country is lie. Lie. And Jay say everything what she tell me is a lie. Block the boy. I have friend up with her.
Who name Jay?
Our man she live with a country named Jay. The boy said Chelsea sneaking, Chelsea lie. Chelsea is not a woman of her words, and Chelsea just too much. And you know, with your enough sense, after she left the boy yard, when the boy asleep, I move out, and the boy said she not stop post you when start. Yo, where you mean yo? She just stop post up on her status and block me. After she jealous her relationship just because the boy say him not ready for no youth because he not have a house himself or rent house he living and thing. She fly come down here so she can mess with you and my relationship. Well, she
Who tell her that? Who tell her that? That make him a full of pay that pay foolishness, brother.
What you tell me say a foolishness? What is foolishness?
You gonna believe you over your sister?
Then I must. She have to put her out no. You never agree if she come and me force you. No.
Who, me?
And you have to go put him on.
Me?
Yes, he have to go be.
And when me put him out and something go happen to him and my name go
He going back to jail.
Listen to me. Listen to me, man. Because you chat too much, you know. When if you focus on a family and for your business, you know. If you make a baby, and that's if you focus on your focus on your sister. Listen to me, I say, man. Listen to me, I say,
Alright,
good.
come go make your baby and run him out.
Yeah, focus on people. You chat too much, brother. Where you gonna make baby? Eh?
Baby, you can't make your baby.
Listen to me and say, listen this. Oh, you know, tell me, say, you meet in a little incident with one youth, and you know a who for pitney. Eh? And you lose the baby. Oh, you know, tell me that.
Baby, who tell her that?
Your sister tell me that because she care about me.
No, baby, me can't explain. The only reason why me hide that from you because
Listen
me don't want you to
me.
leave.
Explain to yourself. You chat too much, man. Where if you focus on you now, focus on youth.
But
Make baby by yourself.
baby, we can't work this out. Jesus Christ, Father God. Why make me put myself through this? Why me? Why me have to tell these girls if you come in and come? Eh? Water, but the blood not thicker than water at all. Because me want check me up. Me keep brother, me care, brother, me care, brother. Me tired.
Yo, where the when I tell you say, the man say, you know if you come over in my yard.
Hold on, man. You never tell me say the man say me finna come over here. You say man say two of finna come over there because I'm
Yeah,
rep on the
anyway,
relationship.
yeah.
Him and the woman.
And where the me a pass now, and him call me over there.
So what make you want to call over there and him just say, you know, want the two of it over there. What kind of style that you G up on?
No, when the man tell me say, I have a girl over there want to give me. And then the man change his mind and stop talking about it.
You have one girl over there?
Yo, just dash it that, man. Me there sorry still. Because I go to lie, man. Tell you.
Achoo. Watch out. Jesus Christ. Yo, next year I'm going to make 40 year.
Yo, you live long.
Man, I'll be 40, you know. And you know have a youth. Watch out.
Now you are
Oh, if you're doing me and the G does attack, say, yo, you're really out, me killer. I want you. None of that we just there chat about me killer. I want you, daddy, man. You're real out, man. Me and the man just attack, say, yo, you get a youth. Because next year you want to be 40. Watch out now. The G say, next year you want to be 40 and you don't get a youth, like Bling Dog. And that him say, no. And me I say, no, man. The man will get a youth with the woman, man. You see me?
I literally said that. I just say, like, 2 hours, bitch, and get a youth.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, watch out. We
Dog.
not chat nobody, me G.
That just I said.
Hold on, me killer. You look so, daddy.
I say something there I meant to do, bro.
So you meds, daddy?
I want to look at thing you go on with me from other day, bro.
How what go on? Yo, when you're bridging in a man.
Just take a
No
breathe.
boy, you know,
Just breathe.
You see me? You can't trust me. You can't trust a G. You understand? Me on a fridge.
I want
me on
water.
AC.
I want water.
When
go
we go down
on,
shopping.
go on.
Yeah.
You go on now. You know, say, me find out, say, my woman when me dead about 4 years now. She can't
She pregnant? Jesus Christ. Me tell you, you know. Me hear talk about say man I
Some
go make it go
man.
bullseye that day.
You know, listen what me say, no. She can't breathe. And all along me think say me a problem. She can't get
no man, hold on there, man.
Doctor tell
Hold
you
on. Juta, remember when me in a class, you know. Whenever the front of the class, you know, are black in a middle, you know. So you know you when you say look while.
him say she can't get pregnant.
When you just stop talking, man, listen what me say, no, bro. She cannot get pregnant because one look at thing when go on in her past where she come from, she did pregnant and she didn't know who for a baby and she end up losing the baby. That stress her out and she lose the baby. And the doctor them tell her say she can't have no more baby.
Who much doctor tell him that? One doctor? Some of them doctor that idiot, you know.
Doctor will tell
doctor
her
can
that.
tell her that and it's not real for true.
Jesus Christ.
She can't have it for true.
So
Then
you feel about that by yourself.
how much year now, bro? And nothing now connect. That means she can't have it for true.
Listen what the man I said, Juta.
I like counsel for tell if you take.
Juta, you know saying
waste my time, Juta.
Hold on, Juta. What the man I say, next year I'm going to be 40 and you can't get a youth. And me and you have a youth.
No, brother.
You don't get a youth.
Me that just keep on going try her far.
Jesus Christ, bro.
Me not fail, me not stop.
What a wicked girl, youth.
And all along she know wanna tell me.
I want wicked girl like brother.
If I want not there, it can pull in a brother.
Yo, well you know easy. Oh that you pull a black up, you can't pull.
Hey.
Come like yeah, me a talk and now listen what me a say now, bro.
Hello. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
You
There.
know what you're fuss about?
Me just a talk in Virginia.
Oh, may I go? Me stop to tell you, say may I go outside doctor office because I don't feel well. May I chew up on there something there, I don't feel good, so may I go.
You vomit?
Yeah, I may feel bad on there something there, so may I go down at doctor office go get one check up.
Alright. Me there, yeah man. Me over here by then. Yeah.
Bye.
Where she say, stop going like you're dumb, cause you're not dumb. What you say?
Yo, listen to me. Listen what me I say. Wanna come out of my business. Come out of my business. You think me don't know so narrate me? All you a road that a laugh off of me I say me not no youth. Eh? You think me don't know say two on I play mind game with me? You left out of my business, yeah, man.
You know so about if you get bench. You see anytime you come about on Sunday morning.
So
bench.
so I go on and we always say, yo, dog, if you get one youth.
You see all you talk, you forget bench.
If you get bench,
You forget bench.
You say a man get corrupt, brother.
You know me name want to tell up because me rate talk about me not rate him again. Talk say the youth and a year one youth where you have. Can you not do the DNA? You forget bench and talk forget bench. You hold on, me and no friend.
That near the bench, me not bench. Yeah, my bench. What? My bench, yeah, man. Everything good, man. But me sure no say my youth that door. I hold on, I eat that, boy. Think me a fool. Once you come like me, I forgot do a DNA. Too much people are telling me so now, man. You're fast, yo.
I don't know why me have to say sorry. No, me not see none of that two people them. B, babe,
Oh,
where you come from? Wake up, me not see you in Chelsea.
So me see Chelsea do. So she a got a doctor. I don't know what I'm to she.
I mean, she go doctor. B, look here. From morning, me did well want to see you. Cause me want to tell you, say, B, me really sorry about what me did do. And me just, look no, me know say you still upset. But me just there here to explain, to tell you, say, just because it did really hard and me did traumatize my process. So, me just
So
never
you never
want to.
plan to tell me nothing.
Yeah, me did I go tell her, B.
You did wait till you reach to the point when me out tell you say either you got a doctor or me got a doctor.
No, B, me would allow if you go
And
so
that's how
far.
it a go reach. If
But
me
me-
never find out.
But me would make you have to go a doctor, B. B, me really love you, you know.
Sean, you know say you love me, but love can't give me baby right now. You understand? Right now, love coming like a bank. When banks stack up with money, you see people swarming there. When no money in the day, you barely see one and two people at got bank. And now you tell me pay a lie, that does a turn my mind against you. You see me? Feel love stack up right now, a pay a lie. You see me? Right now, me never want to hear nothing from you right now. Just allow me make my meds. Leave me alone.
Sis, you doing?
Just a come from down at the doctor office. Down at the doctor, and the news that the doctor give me, a good news. You did know? Anyway, thank you for invite me in your life, in your home, and in your man life. Sean, your time soon expire. You really want you know that?
And what me could have do so Father God? My granny always tell me, say, silent river run deep. Keep your enemies closer than your family. Now me see what she a talk about.
Yeah, Toga. Me I come from down at the doctor office.
What the man said there?
News that the doctor give me a very good news, Toga. Toga, me pregnant.
What?
You're pregnant?
What on there? What?
Stop and ask the man.
Really,
Stop.
Toga?
Ease off for me. Ease off for me. Ease off. Ease off.
Seriously, in my
Yeah.
house? Where me live?
You see what I go on now? You see what I go on? All much ears.
Are you
there.
really
Hey,
betray me
stop
like
fine.
that?
You alright? How much ears you there to breathe? Eh? And as your sister come, the shot connect, you see? Eh? You realize what go on and me and her make for each other.
Wicked girl.
You don't see we they on the same height.
Come. God
You
say
have
when
to
you
go,
dig
go.
hole, if you dig too. Take your bag.
your bag and go.
Really, Toga?
Me tired
Well,
of
you
you.
wicked to him and
Me
I'm
now
telling you the
waste
truth.
no more time with you. The door closed with you. The door closed. Me sorry but the door closed. Just left me place. Go on. Go on.
Please, so me can't
Your
even-
time done. Your time expire. Your time done. Just go on. Go on.
Please.
Come no man, left me place no man. Go on, girl. Me no want to create no excitement in my place. Go on.
B.
They walk.
Toga. You can't do me this, babe. Open the door now.
You reach the end of the movie, I say no secret. Comment if you know a secret. Comment down in the comment section. You see me? And remember, contact the number up on the screen if you want to donate anything to the channel. You see me? It no matter how small as it be, it will work. Every little make a muckle. Already say, every make a muckle. I say go. Yeah, I said it around a while ago. Big up on yourself, see you way. Toga TV, see that.